Why did people think building a giant tower would make them powerful?
In Genesis chapter 10 and 11, people tried to build a tower to reach the heavens. They believed height would equal greatness and that unity without God would make them unstoppable. But something unexpected happened, not through fire or lightning, but through one tiny shift that changed everything: confused language.
So, what does that actually mean?
These chapters show how nations began and how pride sneaks into human hearts. The tower was not about safety or shelter, it was about becoming famous and independent. Pride always whispers that we do not need God or each other. God stepped in to protect them from their own arrogance, not to destroy their creativity. The wisdom is simple: pride disconnects, humility protects.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, pride starts as tiny thoughts that activate the brain's reward system. The amygdala gets triggered when we compare ourselves, making us chase status, attention, or control. But humility strengthens the prefrontal cortex, the part that handles patience, wisdom, and long-term choices. The Tower of Babel is a picture of a group amygdala moment, a crowd chasing pride instead of purpose. The Bible and brain agree: small thoughts shape big choices.
How does this show up in real life?
This shows up in school when kids fight to be the funniest or most popular. It shows up in friendships when someone refuses to say sorry because it feels embarrassing. It shows up in families when everyone wants to be right and no one wants to listen. Online, it shows up as showing off and comparing. Just like Babel, communication breaks first when pride grows too strong.
So, small equals big?
Yes, small decisions build destiny. One proud thought turns into a habit, then into a way of living. The people at Babel did not wake up and decide to rebel, their small choices stacked over time. It is like stacking blocks, each one looks tiny until suddenly a huge tower stands tall. Faith grows the opposite way, one humble choice at a time.
So, how do I start?
Here is a simple 3-step plan. Think, ask, am I trying to impress or connect? Feel, notice the tension in your body when pride takes over. Do, let someone else speak first and listen with intention. These small steps train your heart for unity.
What should we do today?
Today's challenge is to give someone else the first word. It can be a sibling, a friend, or a parent. Watch how peace grows when you slow down and choose humility. If this story helped you understand pride and unity, comment the word unity below. And join us for more if this feels meaningful. Pride builds walls, but humility builds bridges. God's plan has always been to bring people together, not push them apart. When you choose humility, you invite clarity, connection, and peace into your life. Keep choosing the small steps that create big unity.
See you in the next episode.